This song is written by myself. It's called Ye Old Piccadilly. It's about busking in the centre of Manchester. As the Piccadilly streets begin to empty and the sky turns like the blackness of my case, the street light flickers on and now it's time that I moved on. So I pick up all the pennies by my feet. I've been surrounded by music pretty much all my life. My granddad was a musician and I used to watch him like all the time and just like be in awe of him. There's pictures of me as a child, as like 2-3 years old, like holding a guitar and standing next to a keyboard and like bashing the keyboard. So it was just like, this is what I do. I want to practice it. I want to write songs. I want to be good on the guitar. I want to be out performing. The first time I ever went busking was I was in school and I thought there's no way that I'm going all the way. There's no way that I'm busking in Manchester City Centre in case like some of my friends like see me or some of the people out of the school, and I'd just be so embarrassed, like, because it's kind of, I don't know if it still has, but it used to have kind of a stigma attached to it where, like, you know, like you're homeless or something, or you're begging, like, kind of thing. If you've got an open mind and you've been brought up well and you've got a bit of intelligence behind you, then I'm sure people can see that, you know, busking's, there's more to it than begging, a lot more. And if I leave this planet, you know I'd stay, I just can't stand it. I can feel the warning sound running around my mind. I was busking once in Wilmslow. I'm getting like tingles now thinking about it. And the weather was atrocious, and I don't know why, but we was having the time of our lives. There was nobody about on the street, and we was just proper going for it, and we was like really like in the moment, because there's something about busking where it's very raw and it's very real, and we was in that moment and we was doing it together, and the rain was just coming down. And we was just like, we were just carrying on and carrying on. Standing solo on the corner with my guitar and my voice. I'd love to go inside, but I don't even have the choice. Singing songs of sadness and sorrow, a reflection of the past, yet feeling hopeful for tomorrow. You know, growing up in Manchester, everything's moving so quickly and there's quite a lot of politics going on and stuff like that, and there's the rat race, and it's like everybody needs to strive for better and better. And, you know, with my own songwriting, I do try and get like a certain kind of message across. I just try and give people the opportunity to realise that, you know, life's not all about that, and there's so much more beautiful things in this life that we could be concentrating on, like music and art and, you know, nature. Just be patient once again. Pretty soon then you will see all was meant to be. And the more kind of like interaction you get with people, even just a smile, somebody walking past and like keep it up or whatever. For me, it depends on if the crowd are enjoying it, no matter on the size, then I'm enjoying it as well. That's the magical part for me, more than anything really. And it's just like, music just touches you in a way that nothing else does, I think. I'd be quite lost without it. If somebody taken it away from me, like today or tomorrow, I'd have to consider like life in general, to be honest.
people are singing along on a big stage sellout show. I bet you'll say you knew me when I was home